Welcome back to our cooking channel, where we explore delicious recipes from around the world. Today, we're diving into the world of Asian cuisine with a mouthwatering spicy Asian-inspired noodle stir-fry. So, let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this fantastic stir-fry. 8 ounces of your favorite noodles, rice noodles, udon, or even spaghetti work great. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 yellow bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 medium carrot, julienne. 1 cup of broccoli florets. 1 cup of snow peas. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce, adjust according to your spice tolerance. 1 tablespoon of honey. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Chopped green onions and sesame seeds for garnish. Cook our noodles according to the package instructions. 1. Make sure to cook them until they are al dente. Once done, drain and set them aside. 2. Next, we'll heat our wok or skillet over medium-high heat and add vegetable oil. Once the oil is shimmering, it's time to bring on the sizzle. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger to the pan, giving it a quick toss to release their wonderful aroma. Now, let's add the bell peppers, carrot, broccoli, and snow peas. Stir-fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're slightly tender but still crisp. While our veggies are cooking, let's whip up the flavorful sauce. In a small bowl, combine soy sauce, oyster sauce, sriracha sauce, honey, and sesame oil. Mix it all together until well combined. Now, it's time to add the sauce to our stir-fry. Pour it over the vegetables, and give everything a good toss to coat them evenly. The sauce will bring a burst of umami and a hint of heat to our dish. Finally, let's add our cooked noodles to the pan. Gently toss them with the vegetables, ensuring they get coated in that delicious sauce. Keep tossing until the noodles are heated through. And voila! Our spicy Asian-inspired noodle stir-fry is now ready to be served. The vibrant colors and enticing aromas will surely impress your family and friends. Feel free to garnish with some chopped green onions and sesame seeds for an extra touch of flavor and texture. Thank you for joining us today on our culinary adventure. Until next time, happy cooking!